Show the boxer the squirrels outside. Yeah, show it. Can you see the squirrels?
Say, look. Do you see any squirrels? Show the dog. Show your puppy.
Good job. That boxer's looking for squirrels, huh?
Where are my chips?
Aubrey, is that boxer looking for squirrels? Aubrey. Yeah? Show the boxer some squirrels. Just like this one. Is that boxer looking for squirrels? Look at Bastian is. Look at Bastian.
Look at her. She's being a ham.
Good job. That boxer's looking for lizards and squirrels, huh? Bastian just happens to see a lizard right there. That is what he is focused on. One lizard to rule them all. You showing Barbie outside? Aubrey, are you cute? Oh, blow kiss. Oh, so cute.